Last class, where did we stop? The north wind gave a ram and asked the boy to rub his wool, and the ram will drop a piece of gold from his mouth. Now we can see what happens. The boy ran back and found the ram at the door of the stable behind the inn. So, what did the boy do? He ran back and at the door of the stable behind the inn there was the ram. He caught the ram by a strap which was around its neck and led it slowly up the stairs of the inn to his room. So there was a strap on its neck. So holding that strap, the boy took the ram to his room that was upstairs. By now, the boy was hungry because it was night again. So he patted the ram on its back. The ram lowered its head and a piece of gold dropped from its mouth. By now, the boy was again hungry because it was night again. So the boy patted the ram on its back. The ram lowered its head and a piece of gold dropped from its neck. Good old north wind. So the boy was very happy now. He is thanking the north wind. He paid the landlord with the piece of gold from his stay and supper. He paid the landlord with a piece of gold for his stay and supper. So he paid the he paid the landlord with a piece of gold for his stay and supper. So he slept soundly that night with the ram for his pillow. So he kept the ram as his pillow and slept at night. When the boy awoke in the morning, his head was upon the floor and the ram was gone. And the same as the tablecloth had disappeared, this ram too disappeared. He blamed the north wind again. So this time also the boy blamed the north wind. You have taken back your ram. The north wind said nothing. This time he's again complaining the north wind for taking away the ram. What did the north wind do? He didn't say anything. He put a cure stick into a bag and gave it to the boy. This time the north wind gave him a cure stick, means a strange stick. It was an extraordinary stick, and he put in a bag and gave it to the boy. He told him to go back and lock his door tightly at night. And what did the north wind ask him? To go back and lock his door tightly at night. That night the boy was woken by screams for help in his room. But that night, when the boy was sleeping, he heard somebody screaming loudly and he got up. So somebody was screaming for help. There was the innkeeper running about. The cure stick was beating him. So when the boy got up, what he is seeing? The innkeeper was running and the stick was behind the innkeeper. And the stick was going on beating the innkeeper. Help, help, he cried. So the boy quickly realized that the innkeeper had stolen his gifts. So now the boy realized what these all were the innkeeper's dirty play. He had stolen the tablecloth, the ram, everything the innkeeper had stolen. So the boy realized. So the boy, what did he do? He asked, give me back my ram, said the boy. Get it. It is hidden in the barn. So when the innkeeper got the beating, he started telling the truth. He telling, get it. It is hidden in the barn. What is a barn? It's a storeroom where we store rice and all. Okay. So the ram was hidden in the barn. Go get it. The innkeeper is shouting, give me back my tablecloth, he said again. The boy is asking for the tablecloth. Take it, take it. It is in the kitchen. So the tablecloth was hidden in the kitchen, screamed the innkeeper. The boy went out and found his ram in the barn and the tablecloth in the kitchen. So the boy got both the tablecloth as well as the ram. He came back to the room, and once he came back, what did the boy do? He asked the stick to stop beating. Stop, stick, stop now, he said. The stick stopped and jumped into the bag. Once the boy told stop, the stick stopped beating the innkeeper and it jumped into the bag. The boy picked up the bag and the tablecloth. Then, leading the ram by a rope, he went back home. You can see the picture. He is holding the bag in one hand, and in the other hand, the ram is with him. So, leading the ram by a rope, he went back home. His mother was very glad to see him. After a long time, he was missing. So, when the mother saw the boy, the mother was very happy, and they lived happily ever after. So, then they started living happily. So, that is the story of the north wind. Thank you.